Hi there, folks. I'm Pokey the cat. It's tough for a cat like me who lives on the streets. All cats need to sleep. But finding the right spot is hard sometimes. The sun is going down, and I need to find one for tonight. Oh, there's a nice-looking box over there. Ugh, but it's full to the brim with cats already. What are you looking at, Pokey? Says Calico. This box is taken, says Gray Spot. No need to be so rough about it, I say, and move on. Now I've got to find another spot. I wonder if these trash cans are empty? Though if they aren't, garbage can be good and soft to sleep on. But I think this one is taken already. This is my trash can, snarled Inky the black cat. But we can both fit in there, I said. Tough! Find your own spot, Pokey! Sometimes these other cats are just too rude. Just then, the sky gets dark and I feel drops of water on my head. I look up and see the worst thing a cat on the street can see. Isn't my day bad enough? It's raining and I'm going to get all wet. I still haven't found a spot to sleep. I think I have finally found something. A hole in the roof of one of these houses might be enough. I climb up the wall as carefully as I can, making sure not to slip. All this rain makes climbing hard, but hopefully at the top I will be dry and able to rest. I am so lucky to have found this spot. There's enough room for me and a lot more. It is a bit cold up here, though. But at least I am out of the wind and the rain. I do wonder about the other cats. Flash! Bang! Crack! Lightning and thunder! Oh no, those poor cats in the box! That poor cat in the trash can! Get out of there! I yell. The box is catching fire, and the trash can has tipped over. Calico, Gray Spot, and Inky rush up the path towards me, away from the fire. Quick! Before there's more lightning, I say. Where will they find a spot to sleep, though? It's all gone! Can we come up here with you? Asks Gray Spot. I think about it a little. They were a little mean with me, and maybe I shouldn't let them. But it's tough to be out here as a cat on the streets. Come on up, quick! I say. Now we are all up here. Calico, Gray Spot, Inky, and I squashed together in this roof. It's a little awkward, but at least we are safe. I'm sorry we were rough to you before, said Calico. Don't worry about it, I say. Soon we all forget that we fought over spots to sleep in. And it is not so cold up here anymore. It might be tough out here for a cat on the streets. But sometimes, if we all help each other, it's a little better.